Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Bumble account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Bumble application, then get logged into your account by providing proper account credential. After you get logged into your account, first of all, you need to go to the profile section by tapping on profile icon on bottom left corner. At the profile section, you need to tap on the settings icon on top left corner. Tap on it. Scroll to the down. At the very last, you can see the option of delete. You tap on it. This action cannot be undone. Here, to delete your account, you need to type delete same as above. After you are done, you tap on confirm. As you can see, I have been directed to the very first page of Bumble. That means my account has been deleted. This is how you can delete your Bumble account permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete your Bumble account permanently. Thank you.